Hey travellers, how's it going? Travel Dave UK here, and I'm currently in Louisiana in Baton Rouge, and I'm here at the LSU. We're going to watch a college football game today. We'll be doing a bit of tailgating, a bit of parade. We're going to be watching the whole show, enjoying a bit of pre-game, after game, the whole shebang. It's great to be here in Louisiana. Let's go Baton Rouge style, here for the LSU. Go Tigers! On the LSU campus, and we're coming to the Zeta house because at the moment they're doing a pomping, which is like a sort of like a paper chicken net art piece. I'll show you what that looks like. So this is all part of the homecoming, the pre-game before the big LSU college football game. Go Tigers! And now we're moving over to the tailgate section of today. So apparently you just walk up to your little tent places. There's a whole area around here. Say hi and join in, grab some drinks, grab some food. We've got like 3-4 hours before we'll go to the next thing. But yeah, this is exciting. It's about 1 p.m. Start the tailgate. Cheers guys. Cheers. Start the tailgate. Cheers. Woo. LSU, let's go Tigers. We be tailgating. Cheers. There's like so much food, so much drink. There's actually like a tap right here on the back of this truck. They've got like barbecue pits as well, fried chicken, actual like fried chicken oven under these beautiful trees. Fun to be tailgating here at LSU. Let's go. Cheers. Woo! Go Tigers! Tigers! Next on the agenda is the march down Victory Hill. So we've got a whole marching band now. We're going to be marching from the top of the hill over here, all the way down here, and then into here. So that's the LSU stadium right there. So let's enjoy a bit of marching down Victory Hill. Just enjoyed the march down the hill. That was an experience. And we're outside the LSU stadium now. We've got like an hour until we can get into the stadium. So I think it's about time to head back to the tailgate and check that out, huh? What an atmosphere on game day here on a Saturday. We've got a night game tonight, so let's keep on tailgating.
Game ball is Greater Baton Rouge President Robert Stewart. Ladies and gentlemen, please join us in the